Bobabili ungqongqoshe wezokuvikeleka nesikhulu sebutho lamajoni bathathulule ubujamo benarha le njengobokuvukela umbuso okukhambisana nobelelesi. Labe kakhuluma nesitjhaba ngeveke epheleleko umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa utshilo ukuthi batsho lokhu kukuvikelana kombuso.
What we see, in fact, we've also had people making reference to insurrection, coup, and the issue is, if it's an insurrection, then the insurrection must have a face. If it's an insurrection against government. If it is about a coup, the coup will also have a face. But none of those so far talk to that.
Those elements that are said to be, either we call them counter-revolutionaries, but I continue to call them thugs. Because of he who picks up a stone and starts throwing it to the window and breaks the window ceases to be a protester, but it's a thug or a criminal.
Ungqongqoshe uthe kuzokufuneka icozululo ngombana azikho intshijilo eziphathelene nomnotho ezingafakazela izenzo ezifana nalezi ezenzeke enarheni le, kodwa usihlalo wekomiti uthi uthonyekile ngobujamo obu.
President Thabo Mbeki, this is a counter-revolutionary insurgents. Believes that what the country has been through, the hallmarks of a counter-revolutionary insurgents. Said this is an attempted insurrection. Because indeed, if you look at it, is the hallmarks of an insurrection.
Uthi imlayezo echayisanako iyaphazamisa ngombana abazi ukuthi isukelaphi yonke lento.
What is it that the country was dealing with? How then do you prepare if you don't know what you are dealing with? How then do you assure the country that this thing will not reoccur if you don't know what you are dealing with?
General Mapanya uthi abahola bahlukahlukeneko basebenzisa amagama ahlukileko ukuhlathulula ubujamo obu, kodwana akhe ngafuna ukungenelela lapho.